Naghahanap ka ng life insurance na pasok sa budget at needs mo? Pag-usapan natin yan. Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Neil, your chosen financial advisor from ProLife UK. If ikaw ay naghahanap ng insurance or insurance with investment component, let's discuss yung mga coverages na dapat ay meron ka. Here's a sample proposal for a 30-year-old Neil saving 3,000 monthly. With this plan, meron siyang death benefit na 2.5 million pesos na just in case something happened to him, hindi mapapabayaan yung mga anak niya at yung asawang umaasa sa kanya. Number 2, just in case magkaroon siya ng permanent disability at hindi na siya makapag-work, matatanggap niya na yung 2.5 million pesos para may panggastos pa rin sila ng family niya sa araw-araw na gastusin. Number 3, meron siyang accident benefit na 500,000 pesos at meron pa siyang 30,000 for minor accidents. Number 4, alam mo ba na 72% ang chance na magkakaroon ng isang tao ng critical illness? So with that, binigyan natin siya ng 1 million coverage para just in case mangyari yon, hindi na problema yung family niya. Mas mataas pa yung survival rate niya dahil may pambayad siya sa hospital. At number 5, meron itong non-guaranteed investment component na pwede mong gamitin sa pag-aaral ng anak mo, sa retirement, at sa mga future plans na meron ka. And to make sure na hindi ka mahihirapan, I will give you a free budgeting cash flow workshop with free financial worksheet para matulungan kita na mas makaipon pa. Here, tutulungan kita mag-manage ng finances mo properly at tutulungan kita mag-compute ng retirement fund at kung meron kang pinapaaral na anak o pag-aaralin, tutulungan kita mag-compute ng educational fund na kakailanganin niya pag nag-college siya. I will also teach you how to build an emergency fund, and the last but not the least, we're going to compute how much insurance and critical illness fund ang kailangan mo. Just click the message button below to book your appointment and to get a sample proposal that fits your needs and your budget. Follow for more career and financial tips. #Alagang Pili.